and today's video is all about thrifting. We went thrifting in Rotterdam at 2 spots. Only the second spot we weren't able to film. So you won't see a lot of footage of that, but you will see the footage of the first thrift store. And yeah, we're gonna take you guys with us. How are you doing, girl? Look at this jacket. Oh my god. It's only 10 euros. 10 euros. I also got this gray oversized blazer. Oh my god, yes. And this really reminded me of the leather trend with the leather details. So I'm not quite sure how it will look on, but... Are you finding anything?
Yes.
Oh my god.
I went to the men's section.
There was colors.
And I found this.
Oh, that's so
but
cute.
I don't know if I like it like this, or maybe I want to crop it. I crop this maybe.
Oh yeah, make it into a
I
t-shirt.
Oh
my god, that's a dress.
And I found the trench coat, and I love.
Oh my god, is it Burberry? No, it's not.
No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. But it's
That's amazing.
color.
That's amazing.
And I also found.
You found so
I
much.
don't know if I like it, but
That with jeans is really cute.
yeah.
Okay, try on time.
Okay, the first 2 items.
Cute. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, so here's a little sneak peek on all the stuff I got. It's a lot. It's a lot. So I really hope... I mean, there's just so much good stuff in this thrift store. You know, it's just really a matter of luck. So after Jen is done, I'm gonna try on my pieces. And I have a lot of jackets. But it's still the first stop, so we'll see what we'll find the rest of the day. Jen is done.
I need to pee. And I cannot hold it anymore. So I'm just going to sit here. Okay guys, we're back and we did some thrifting.
Yes.
So we're going to show the items that we got. We both got like 4 items, so
yeah.
it's just a good amount. So I'm gonna show you the first one. Yeah, the first thing that I got is this turtleneck, the greenish turtleneck. We got it at Rotterdam in Rotterdam.
2 euros.
Yeah, 2 euros. Like what the hell? So cheap and a really good basic to style your outfit with.
Yes,
right?
yes. And the first one I got, I'm actually wearing right now, so it's kind of cheating, but it's okay. It's this really nice sage green color. It's a very on-trend color, and it was a color it was a lot there. And that kind of shocked me and surprised me, but it's nice, so you can be stylish on a budget.
Yeah.
So this is the first one. It's just a simple, how do you say this, tank top.
Yeah.
And I think it's a great layering piece for the spring and summer. And this one was also 2 euros as well.
2 euros.
So,
So
that's
cheap.
really
like, oh my
cheap.
God.
Yeah, and it's very nice material. So
Yeah. Okay guys, the second thing that I got at Rotterdam is this really cool blouse. It's this
very, very
beige
cool.
color. It's very oversized. It's so big, and I got it from the men's section.
I think it's cotton as well, but
yeah, I guess.
yes, 100%.
Yeah, 100%, and I really, really love it. And I got it at the men's section, so you should never skip the men's section. The
No.
men's section is honestly the best.
You shouldn't skip any section, because I think you can find anything in any section, even the kids section. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing I got is this big coat. I'm pretty sure this was from the women's section, not the men's section. And it's a nice and warm wool coat, and it was only 10 euros, which is
the
insane.
blouse was 3 euros.
Oh, 3 euros,
Yeah.
yeah. Which is insane for a coat like this. It's like the perfect layering piece for this winter weather, because it's very confusing. So yeah, that's very, very nice.
Okay, the next thing that I got was these trousers.
I love them.
Really love it. This is actually the first one that actually fits me so good around my waist. So yeah, just a basic.
And the perfect length as well.
Yeah, the basic black trousers, and these were only €3.
Okay, so the last thing I got at Rotterdam, whatever you want to call it, is this oversized blazer.
Yeah,
It's actually,
really
it's just
nice.
oversized for me. It's just a very big blazer, but and this one was only €7, which is
So cheap.
so cheap. Because
Oh
if you
my God.
you can find these kind of blazers at Zara and H&M right now for like 40 to 60 euros, and this was €7. So if you want to hop on the oversized blazer trend, just check your thrift stores first. It's better for the environment, and you can save some money as well. So
Okay, the last thing that I got.
we got this at Cheap Fashion.
Cheap Fashion. We went to another thrift store, which is more expensive.
It's a curated one, so kind of
Yeah.
like Episode, and curated thrift stores are a little bit more expensive because they make sure that there's a good selection in store.
Yeah, like
But it's
more-
still, I mean, it's still cheaper than Episodes.
This one is so really nice, and it's from Ralph Lauren.
Yeah, Ralph Lauren.
Right?
Polo by Ralph Lauren.
And this one was
It's the polo line.
€20, which is a lot
More. It's a little bit more
than
expensive.
the other items that we got,
But if you think about it, it's probably like retailed
Yeah.
for 80
It's
to
so-
100 euros. So
Yeah.
I also got one thing at Cheap Fashion, and it's this Lacoste polo. And the thing I liked about it is because it didn't have the buttons, but like a stretchy material, so it's a bit more unique and different. So yeah, this one's really nice, and this one was only $7.50.
Yeah,
And I think this is
this is-
perfect for spring and summer with some mom jeans or some shorts. So yeah, I love this, and $7.50, which is great.
Yeah.
Well, thanks so much for watching, and you can like, subscribe, comment, everything. Follow us on Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We'll
see you soon.
later. Bye.
Bye.